Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to see followers on Reddit. So, first one is open the Reddit application into your device and make sure you are signed in, of course, and go to your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and then go through the settings down below. And after that, from here, just simply go ahead and then go for the account settings at the top. And now from here, just simply go ahead and scroll down and you should be able to see here, show your follower count. And guys, make sure to turn this on in order for you to see the followers on Reddit. So guys, in default, this is turned off. So you need to turn it on to see the followers on Reddit. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like. And guys, if you have any questions, comment down below and thanks for watching.